In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup oil, and then give it a good mix. Add 1 cup of sugar, mix this well again. Next, take 2.5 cups of flour and then sieve it through. Once this is done, add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder and make it into a paste. Add in about 1.5 cup of milk so that you can have a smooth batter. Then add in some cardamom powder and then some dry rose petals soaked in honey. Mix this well. You can also add rose essence if you like. Add in some chopped almonds, put it in a baking dish, garnish with some pistachio, bake for 1 hour 15 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit and enjoy this